A very good morning, students. Students, what do you see on your screen? Any guesses? I know you all are finding it difficult to guess. What is this? Is this some kind of an art or what it is? If I tell you it's a means of transport, it's difficult to believe, right? Yes, but this is a palanquin. A palanquin is a means of transport where the time of the kings, the queen was carried in like this. If you have seen our Hindi movies also, they show when a girl is getting married, she's been carried in a palanquin from her father's house to her husband's house. But I've seen many movies and many serials, and it shows on the media a lot. You can see like this. She has been carried in a beautiful manner, in a very nice attire. Two men in the front, two men at the back, or either like two men or like you can say four men also can carry this palanquin. Today's poem says about the palanquin bearers. These are the bearers, palanquin bearers who are carrying the palanquin. Today we are going to talk about them, what they feel about when they are given an opportunity to carry the palanquin bearers. And this poem, Palanquin Bearers, is written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu is known as a nightingale of India. She is also a famous English poetess. I'm talking about the time of independence, pre-independence and post-independence. When we were struggling for freedom struggle and after we got our independence. She was a political activist and played an active role in freedom struggle. She was fighting with Gandhiji for our freedom, for India's freedom. We all know we were under the rule of British, and then we got our own freedom. We got to do our own government. She was the first woman to become the governor of an Indian state after independence. And her major contribution is The Broken Wing, The Bird of Time, The Golden Threshold. She has written a lot means lot is written by her. But these are the few famous ones and remarkable ones where we all remember. Students, today I'll take down the lane of poetry to you. How poetically and how beautiful her words are, where she has explained the beauty of the palanquin bearers. We have come to the third poem of our syllabus, Palanquin Bearers by Sarojini Naidu. Oh lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Beautiful lines. Let me go line by line. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. So the bearers, the palanquin bearers, you can see here we have four of them, okay, and they are saying like this. She is very light to bear. She is not at all heavy. She is a featherweight. Feather, does it carry any weight? Paper, does it carry any weight? No. So she is so light. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. So they are saying she is in the wind. When you go to a garden, or when you go to a valley, or you go to a mountain place, there's very breezy, isn't it? It's very breezy. And there you see the leaves swaying themselves like to the left and to the right, in their own sweet tune. So they're saying she is also like a flower in the wind who is flowing according to the tune what they are singing for her. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So here they are saying she skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Foam is what when you what they say is when you take the soap, okay, and when you you rub it, okay, you have foam coming out, right? She's like the foam, like the stream. The stream also you have bubbles of water coming out. So she is like that, which is bringing happiness. When you get the bubbles, you feel happy, you feel excited. So she is like that. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So they're saying she's a dream for some people. We all have our own fantasy dreams, but then like she is a dream. She floats like a laugh from the lip of a dream. So like she is their fantasy. She is like a laugh for them, which is their dream. Galley, oh galley, we'll glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Yeah, children, galley, oh galley, we glide and we sing. So they are very happily moving out with her. They are very happy to carry her pangolin. They are not at all like saying it's heavy and we have to walk long. No, they are very happy and they are singing along and going. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. We all know pearl is very tender to look. It's very delicate and it's very lightweight. It's not heavy like silver or gold. It's very lightweight. They're saying she's so light like a pearl in a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She is very soft. She is very soft. And she hangs like a star in the dew of a song. So like the children, you all know what is a star. Star twinkles in the night. The dew of a song. So she is like a star for them. And she is like a dew in the morning when you go into your garden or we go into some flower or leaves. You see small droplets of water on that. Looks so beautiful, looks so delicate. She is as delicate as that. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glad and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So they are saying she springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. So they are saying she looks like a beam, like a beautiful arch she is, or like on the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Bride. Who is a bride? A girl who is getting married. Okay, a girl who is getting married and who is dressed so beautiful. She's called a bride. And they're comparing her to the eyes of the water droplets which comes from the eyes of a bride. They're comparing her to her, telling that like how tender and delicate she is, how emotionally she is. Lightly, oh lightly, we glad and we sing. So they're saying she is so light and they're singing. It's like for them, they're walking effortlessly. They're carrying nothing, but they're just walking very happily. We bear a song. We bear her along with a pearl on a string. So they're saying we bear her along with like a pearl on a string. As I told you, she's very light for them. She's very light and she is like a pearl on a string for them. So I'll read this poem again for you all. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of a song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lip of a dream. Gladly, oh gladly, we glad and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glad and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. She is not only light, but she is a honor for them. She is a pride for them. So they are like have it's not only like her beauty or how delicate she is. She even carries pride for them. She is a pride when they carry her on their shoulders and they're walking. They say, with pride and honor we carry her and swing. This is what Sarojini Naidu says about the palanquin bearers in this poem. Children, I hope you have understood the poem. If you have any doubt or any queries, please feel to call me back or message me. Thank you and wishing you a happy and blessed day.